Hey everyone, I'm Tiffany, and today I'm talking about Dove body wash, specifically the coconut and cocoa butter scent. Let you know what I think, and I'll show you what it looks like coming out of the bottle. First of all, this coconut and cocoa butter scent is divine. It smells so good. I love that smell. It always reminds me of tropical vacations. It really does a great job of moisturizing while you're in the shower. You don't even have to moisturize afterwards if you don't have time or you're not inclined, because this takes care of it for you. As you can see, it's rich and creamy, which really works hard to make your skin softer and smoother than a regular soap in the shower. I also like to use this in my soap dispensers, especially the one at the kitchen sink, because this is so moisturizing. And it's actually PETA certified, cruelty free, and the bottle is recycled 100%. So even though it's a plastic bottle, you can feel good about buying it, which is important to me and helps me make some of my consumer decisions. Stay positive, be kind, and I'll see you next time.